Hello, today we will guide you through how to do breakout rooms in Zoom. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure you are signed in and ready to access your meeting controls. Breakout rooms are a useful feature when you want to split meeting participants into smaller groups for discussions, activities, or team collaboration. So this is a great tool to know if you host meetings regularly. Once Zoom is open, go ahead and open a sample Zoom meeting. You'll need to be inside an active meeting to access the breakout room controls. If you're following along for practice, any test or sample meeting will work fine. The important thing is that you are in the host view, since breakout room options are typically managed by the meeting host. After you're inside the meeting, look toward the bottom of the Zoom window for the meeting toolbar. On that toolbar, click the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More. This menu gives you access to extra meeting features that may not appear directly on the main control bar, depending on your screen size or Zoom layout. From the menu that appears, click on Breakout Rooms. This will open the Breakout Room Setup panel. This is where you can decide how many separate rooms you want to create for your participants. If you don't immediately see the option, it may mean the feature needs to be enabled in your Zoom settings beforehand. But once it's available, selecting it will take you to the setup screen. Next, enter the number of breakout rooms you want to create. Think about how many groups you need and how you want participants divided. For example, if you are running a workshop or discussion session, smaller rooms can encourage more participation, while fewer larger rooms may be better for broader collaboration. After that, select the available on-screen choices shown in Zoom. These choices usually help define how participants will be assigned to rooms, such as automatically or manually, depending on what Zoom is displaying in your setup window. Take a moment to review these options carefully so the room setup matches the structure of your meeting. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Zoom will then generate the breakout rooms based on the number and options you selected. At this point, your rooms are set up and ready for the next stage of meeting management. And that's how to create breakout rooms in Zoom. As a quick tip, it's always helpful to review your room setup before launching participants into their groups, especially during larger meetings. Thanks for following along, and we hope this makes your Zoom sessions easier to organize.